Hello and welcome to this nCore tutorial. In this video we are going to explain how you can create your selection funnel. In nCore, the steps leading up to the hiring are called pipeline. You can have one or more pipelines that can be used for different kinds of selections. To create a new pipeline, go to Node, Setup, and then Advanced Setup. You will see the section Pipeline Templates where you can add a new pipeline. You will need to give a name to your pipeline and then add the necessary selection steps called folders. Now let's add an internal name and a title for each step and choose a color to better identify it graphically. You can also make one or more steps mandatory. This means that the candidate must go through this step before passing on to the next ones. When you have added all the necessary steps, you can save the pipeline. Now you can select it during the first step of the position creation so that you can use it to manage your candidates. Remember that after posting your job position, you won't be able to change the pipeline. You can also associate some automatic actions to your pipeline. To do so, click on Pipeline Automation and you will see all the steps of the pipeline you just created. By clicking on a specific step and then Custom Communication, you can add an automatic communication. Just drag the template you want to use from the left column to the right so that the candidates that will go through this step will automatically receive this message via mail. In addition to the communications, you can also add datasets to one of the steps of your pipeline. Again, just drag the dataset from the left to the right to select it. Now, all candidates that will go through this step will automatically receive an email with a request to provide some additional information. They will just need to click on the button below to re-enter the interface of the application process without login or password and add the requested information. And just like that, your pipeline is ready to be used.